you might ask why we want to go that way if that is not recommended. The reason is that, for instance, we need to migrate devices from some legacy system. That legacy system used only usernames and passwords, and we want to switch those devices to communicate from the legacy system to AWS IoT Core. So as the first step of that migration, what we can do is we can migrate the usernames and passwords to some external database, for instance hosted on AWS, or we can even use the same external database as used by the legacy system. And then we just need to change the endpoints our devices use to communicate to the MQTT broker to the endpoint of AWS IoT Core. And because our device uses the same username and password that we already connected to AWS IoT Core using the custom authorize lambda function, it should be able to communicate with the AWS backend without other changes. So this is typically the first stage of the migration from legacy system to AWS solution, and of course that should not be the final stage of that migration. And the reason is the identity, because during that migration we really do not migrate the device identity from the legacy system to AWS. We migrate the username and password assigned for that specific device, but it is typically not enough.